With more than 40 years of experience and knowledge, Pansayam Manufacturing Company Limited has grown to be Thailand's largest producer and distributor of construction accessories and furniture fittings. We have continually gained trust from both domestic and foreign clients. We emphasize on the operational philosophy that never stops inventing and constantly improving the product quality by our experienced team with over 40 years of experience and knowledge. To completely support the customer's need, our manufacturing method is centered on contemporary machinery with high precision. It covers from the production of molds for zinc alloy, plastic, and steel moldings, and packing to the fast and on-time delivery in Thailand and around the world. To achieve standardized furniture fittings, every step of the production process is meticulously monitored by a team of professionals to ensure that the quality of our goods is international standard. Pansayam Manufacturing, established in 1982, with production based at Soi Krung Thonburi 10. With the growth of construction industry in 1995, a new production base was built in Bang Khun Thien district. In 1996, Pansayam Manufacturing Company Limited has partnered with Modern Trade across the country to distribute a wide range of furniture fittings and construction equipment products. In 1997, we have expanded our customer base to the neighboring countries and around the world for more than 12 countries. In 2019, the production base has been expanded again to support the growth at Samut Sakhon on an area of more than 10 rai. With our expertise, we can support the production of furniture fittings in a variety of styles, including designing specific molds, testing, and adjusting to satisfaction before actual production. The purpose is to provide our customers with the best products for tapping, rolling, turning, stamping, welding, plastic and metal forming, to truly meet the needs of the one-stop service. For accuracy and speed in the production process, we use high-standard technology. Our highly experienced product research, design and development team pays attention to every detail in creating products for the highest quality products and meet every need along with valuable services. With the availability of production processes and teams in all sectors, we are able to create over 100 patent products such as a set of kitchen fittings, handles, walk-in closet accessories, and various office equipment. From a long experience and expertise, our works are trusted by leading domestic and international brand partners around the world. With quality and reasonable prices, reaching all customer groups and creating maximum satisfaction. The standard is constantly evolving. Our quality exceeds expectations. Pan Siam Manufacturing